Google ADK versus Vertex AI. Which AI platform is better? Choosing the right AI platform can transform how you build and deploy machine learning models without complex setup or costly infrastructure. We'll look at Google ADK and Vertex AI side by side. Google ADK and Vertex AI are powerful AI platforms from Google designed for different needs. Google ADK focuses on simplifying AI development with ready-to-use tools, while Vertex AI offers a comprehensive managed environment for end-to-end ML operations and scalability. Google ADK, or the AI Developer Kit, is a collection of pre-built AI models and tools designed to accelerate AI integration into applications. It works by providing developers with ready-to-deploy models that cover vision, speech, and natural language tasks. The ADK streamlines AI adoption by minimizing the need for extensive training or infrastructure management. Its strengths lie in ease of use and quick implementation, making it ideal for developers who want to add AI capabilities without deep machine learning expertise. However, Google ADK is somewhat limited in customization and advanced model training, which may restrict users with complex or unique requirements. The ideal user is a developer or business looking for plug-and-play AI solutions to enhance apps efficiently without investing heavily in building and maintaining custom models. Vertex AI is a fully managed machine learning platform designed to cover the entire ML lifecycle, from data preparation and model training to deployment and monitoring. It integrates Google Cloud's robust infrastructure to provide scalable compute resources, automated model tuning, and seamless MLOps capabilities. Users can build custom models or leverage AutoML for automated training, making Vertex AI flexible for both beginners and experts. Its strengths include scalability, deep customization, and integration with other Google Cloud services, supporting complex production workloads. On the downside, Vertex AI can require more setup time and cloud expertise, which might be overwhelming for small teams or quick projects. The ideal user is an enterprise or data scientist needing a powerful, scalable solution to manage sophisticated AI workflows with full control over model development and deployment. Comparing Google ADK and Vertex AI highlights a trade-off between simplicity and control. Google ADK is perfect for fast AI integration with minimal setup, ideal for developers who want to add AI features quickly without deep ML knowledge. Vertex AI, however, excels in managing complex AI projects at scale, providing extensive customization and operational tools for production environments. For example, a startup building a prototype app might prefer Google ADK for its ready-to-use models, while a large company deploying multiple AI services across teams would benefit from Vertex AI's comprehensive platform. The choice depends on your project's complexity and your team's expertise. Quick deployment versus full lifecycle management. Choose Google ADK if you need fast, easy AI integration with minimal setup and prefer ready-made models over deep customization. Vertex AI is the better choice for scalable, end-to-end machine learning projects requiring full control and advanced features. It's ideal for teams focused on building custom models and managing complex AI workflows in production environments. Your choice depends on your AI ambitions and resources.